Sana ba mo lang nibalik kagluhot tayo ba mag-ring pa na will you marry me? Will you marry me? Sana ba mo lang nibalik kagluhot tayo ba mag-ring pa na will you marry me? Will you marry me? Nay, karon nay kay natanaw naman ako inyong 44th wedding anniversary na inspired jud kog maayo and then kabaw ko nga katikista ka. Yes. Kabaw na ko nga katikista jud ka sauna pa. Yes. And then sa karon sa mong Vicariato ang among February is love month. Wow. Oh. Yes. So nangita mig true love. Karon nay di naman kinahanglan no nga interviewon pa ka kay tana mao na to witness na to ganina ako nang itope-tope ako nang na-record nay. Ang ako lang is unsay mo ikasulti sa mga katikista nga nagkatikista ka as a parent, right?
Yes.
Oh, nya karon sa mga marriage nga nagkinahanglan pa og kanang di ba? Yung napabay chance nga makita tong true love o kamo na gid nang true love. Unsa man inyo ikasulti na sa inyong true love na?
Makita ang
sige tay.
Sa ako lang for the couple.
Yes.
You will encounter difficulty in life.
Yeah.
It's a normal
trials.
That's a trial to strengthen the relation.
Yeah.
Only one should not give up.
Yes, never give up. Yes.
Para na ko lang. It's the Lord allows that man good nga sa the Lord said in marriage,
yes,
I'm going to share gift, I share grace.
Yes.
That is the redemption.
The redemptive power.
In sacrament of marriage, there's what we call redemptive,
salvific power,
which the Lord specifically give it to the couple once you receive the sacrament of marriage.
That is the gift.
Ano siya? Usahay ma-overwhelm ang couple with the worldly problems ba?
Yeah.
Only when you concentrate to the Lord and then despite siya basta you will never give up.
Never give up.
Most especially is in trust.
Yes. And trust everything to God.
Pag ingon bitaw ganina nga ikaw ang gitagaan, gitahasan sa Ginoo. Nakaunaw jud kung Abraham, kay Abraham baka ni descendant ba ni Abraham.
Yes.
Si Tatay Bandi.
Just remember, the vow of marriage is the vow of sacrifice and service.
Ito
yes, so never give up. No?
Never give up.
God will reward.
Ihatag sa mga okasyon.
Yes.
Mo gina siya ang specifically nga padayag gud ba in sacrament of marriage is
submit.
Service.
Yes, submit yourselves.
Although
to one another.
In the karon kabaguhan sa mga batunan, they may not accept that. Why sacrifice too much? Pwede naman ka maka-eskapo.
Bitaw na yun, anong nisakripisyo ka na, gwapo ra ba kay tatay?
Muna siya, we encourage the engaged couple before you decide.
Palayo ko na kay gwapo kay kanay, anak. Kita imong pagka-sexy.
Before you decide to receive the sacrament of marriage, make sure na you will commit.
Commit to submit yourself.
Yeah, commit and submit.
Yeah.
Because that is the prerequisite of marriage.
Because marriage is the giving and the receiving wholly and fully. Yes, you must be naked in the eyes of God and in the eyes of your spouse. Be naked, no?
Sige. Kung anay, last na lang nay.
Yes.
Last na lang nay. Pakita yung kiss nay nga. Sipa kayo nay. Pakita yung sipa. Salamat kayo na and happy 44th wedding anniversary.
Thank you also.
Thank you kayo.
Jana,
salamat kayo. Oh, I'm so glad and I'm so proud. Sige, listunin na eh. Kay murag
good life, well provided for by our loving parents. And we grew up with the notion of always being generous. Not just with material things, but with our parents' good. We have to share them to everyone, to the church. We have to share them to our relatives. We have to share them with their profession, with their work, and their time, our resources as a family. It's all really shared. So now I think that enrich all of us with very good hearts, and what you see is what you get in this family. So if you see na tambok me, we love food. As much as we love our parents, and yes, we really do love them. In my adult age now, I've made it a point to never say no to my parents before they even ask. Because growing up, I've never tried na nanuhan ko. I've never tried na kanang gipasagdan mi nila. We don't have to ask for anything because they're there always, and that made us really strong in life. And thank you very much for all your sacrifices. I love you both very much.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to keep it very short and brief. Yes, what Mamay said earlier, growing up, Nanay and Tatay has always been our, say, backbone. No? They showed us unsay nindot na paagi sa life. But knowing us, so we went the other way. But still, they stayed and they never gave up on us. No? We made really bad choices when we were younger, and I hope but yes, Tatay and Nanay, thank you for showing us what real love is, and for always being there when we need you the most. And also to my sisters, happy anniversary to you both. I love you. Go, Ate.
Hello, everyone. I would like to say thank you to Nanay and Tatay for your enduring love. Our family is never perfect. We failed and made mistakes in the past, but still they never judge us, and they are always there to support us. Instead, their unwavering love and support for us continues. So I would like to thank Nanay and Tatay for everything that you have done for us. Thank you. I would like to call on Rina, Jong, and Cham.
This family, I came from a broken family, but this family showed me, especially Nanay, because there were a lot of bad circumstances in the past, but it was Nanay and Tatay who really welcomed me open arms and never judged me. And sa mga decisions in life, big and small, petty fights, mga misunderstanding, it was them nga maoy naka murag glue ba nga nagpapilit na mo sa relationship ni Anton. And then for me, they are the solid example of what true love is, especially sa kanang family gyud na buo ba. It's them who really kept the family kanang tight good. And then that's something I really appreciate sa Bande family. And it was nanay and tatay good nga. They are the pillar good of the family. So happy anniversary nanay and tatay.
Paresan mo kong mga storya dyan sa itrayhan ng tao. Nanay, tatay, happy 44th anniversary. Thank you sa never-ending love and support sa family. And also, sa pagtudlo ka na mo, pagbaluol sa Ginoo. Actually, sa una, mag-grocery ni or sa other mga kunay mag-grocery, kung imo nga na ganing time mangihi ko kay hindi pa ko kayo humain mo rosary ba, so until naabot na ko nilang nanay sa family mismo nasa siguro yung paano kanang uban mahadlok ba kanang mag-grocery iihi na yun. So until naabot ko nilang nanay, mag-rosary me everyday. Naanan siguro mami siguro para mag-rosary gid me bisan mo malapas mig 6 o'clock usay kawan pa mi sa room, mag-rosary me. So kana as nagpasalamat ko ni nanay kay karon pwede na ako bisag ako ray mag-rosary muli pwede diha ko nakat-on sa ilasan labi na sa Ginoo. So nanay ako na lang mupon kay taas ko siguro. Salamat nanay, tatay. We love you sa family.
Karon mananaptan na nga. Hi, tay. I love you and dako akong pasalamat ninyo duha because you taught us a lot. Labi na namong may sa for the past years na mo nga dagan o dako kay mga challenges and salamat kay sa pag-accept nako and sa never-ending love and support ninyo. Hindi na ma-feel nako sa akong mga pamilya, sa akong mga amigo, amiga o sa tanang tao sa mga kailan na mo. Overwhelming kayo, naitay. Thank you kayo and forever ko bless ninyo. I love you guys.
Before the picture taking, I'd like to say something.